you have to. These are the original streets, no? In the old city of paano ba ito i-pronounce? Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik. Na very tight. One way lang tayo. But imagine yung mga structures na tumabot ng 1,000 years. Kasi current na what do you think of the structures here? This is more than 1,000 years na daw. Sa atin yung mga structures natin good for 50 years lang. Since may ATM pa dito. Ito yung modern portion na.
Modern man sa loob, ginagawang anything.
Galing, oh. You can withdraw cash here. ATM. And these are the mga side streets. Binamda ng Yugoslavian. Oh.
Oo. Hindi ka angat, hindi ka angat. Hindi ka angat.
Yeah. So, this is more than 1,000 years na, guys. Grabe, no? Very rich history. Yan yung pinapakita niya, yung bombing when this area was bombed by mga Yugoslavian forces from that mountain area. Ito yung may-ari ng bahay. Serbian and Montenegrin attack. Grabe. Huh? Away na.